Hello students, I am Anju Mathur of Raval Convent 2. Today I am going to explain you question tags. A tag question is a question we can add to the end of a statement. The basic rules for forming the two-word tag questions are as follows. The subject in the statement matches the subject in the tag. The auxiliary verb or verb to be in the statement matches the verb used in the tag. If the statement is positive, the tag is usually negative and vice versa. Compare the following. You have posted my letters, haven't you? You won't forget to check my emails, will you? You are sad that I am leaving, aren't you? You aren't going to cry when I leave, are you? When present and past simple tenses appear in the positive statements, normally no auxiliary verb, helping verb is used. But we use the auxiliaries does, do or did in the tag. In negative statements, in the present or past simple, the auxiliaries doesn't, don't or didn't are of course already present. Compare the following. You play tennis on Thursdays, usually, don't you? And Jack plays with you, doesn't he? You didn't play last Thursday, did you? When we use the there is the structure, there is reflected in the tag. There's nothing wrong, is there? There weren't any problems when you talked to Jack, were there? Something, nobody, etc. When no one, somebody, something, etc. is the subject in the statement, we use it in the tag to refer to something or nothing, and they in the tag to refer to example someone or nobody. Something happened at the Jack's house, didn't it? No one phoned, did they? Somebody wanted to borrow Jack's bike, didn't they? Who was it? When to use tag questions? We use tag questions to check information or to ask for agreement. If we use a rising intonation in the tag, we do not know or are not quite sure of the answer. If we use a falling intonation in the tag, we are seeking the agreement of the person we are talking to. Rising intonation. We can reply to tag questions either with simple yes or no answers. Negative tags normally expect a yes answer, and positive tags normally expect a no answer, or by using yes or no plus auxiliary verb. In these examples, use a rising intonation in the tag. It is a genuine question. You are not sure what the answer will be. You haven't seen any tennis shoes, have you? No, I am sorry. I haven't. I couldn't borrow yours by any chance, could I? No, they wouldn't fit you. Falling intonation. In these examples, use a falling intonation in the tag. You are simply seeking agreement. It's been a lovely day today, hasn't it? Yes, it has. Gorgeous. It was a lovely wedding, wasn't it? Wonderful. I thought you looking stunning in her wedding dress. Didn't she? Yes, she did. Absolutely stunning. It's a shame the day is over, isn't it? Yes, it is. I hope you are clear with the topic. Thank you.